everyone. I wanted to show you how to get on Clever just so that we can get started with our class. So here I am on my desktop and here is the Clever icon. Now if you have a PCS device, then you should have Clever already loaded on there. If you don't, please call the school and talk to Chrissy or Miss Rose about getting a device. Once you click on Clever, that's going to pull up. Let me go back over here. It's going to look like this. Okay, so that's your Clever page. You want to scroll down, and this is the Canvas icon. Click on Canvas, and then that's going to take you to your homeroom. Now remember, this is kindergarten. If you're in first grade, it will say Homeroom 1, self-contained. And so this is what it looks like. You have home, you have announcements, and you have modules. Modules are where you're going to find your assignments. And I don't have all of them in there yet, so don't expect that yet. I'll probably be releasing those by the day, so you know what needs to be done each day. I want to keep it real simple for everybody. But this is just a little welcome to the class, and you're also going to see a video in here that shows you or gives you some more information about the course. Then after you watch that, you're going to go over to calendar, and you'll see that I've set up a couple of live meetings so that we can say hello to each other, and I can answer any questions that you might have after watching that video. All right, I hope this helps, and I'm looking forward to talking with all of you soon.